going on? How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm at Burgermaster today. I forgot to check to see if this was a chain or not. So I guess we'll find out when I get home and look it up. See if I didn't look up any history on the place either. Wow. So this is one of those places that you pull up and then you dine in your car. So I got my order placed. I went with a double bacon burger, and then I also ordered onion rings. I don't think I've ever had the onion rings here, so I'll see if they suck or not. Trying to mix it up a little bit. Still getting a burger. Actually got a double burger this time, but bring it back. Alrighty, so what happened is that usually the last few times I'd been there, they bring out a tray and they just hook it on your window. But she just brought me a bag, so I just figured, well, screw it, I'll just go sit at the park. And onion rings don't look half bad. They're kind of a beer batter. Check out the burger. Not a cheap burger either. I'll go over the, I got the receipt here, which I'll go over in a moment. So I got lettuce this time. Well, there it is. Shredded lettuce. Not my favorite. Lettuce, tomato, 2 patties, bacon. Not terrible. So here's the burger. You ready for the cost? Well, this burger was $11.50. Here's my receipt. $11.50, and then the onion rings were $4.50. Now you saw me eat 2 of them. And that's what you get. So the rent on that spot must be ridiculous to charge that much for a burger. But you know, what are you gonna do? Alrighty. So it's not a bad burger. I'm still kind of working on it. I know for a fact that these are frozen, bought-in onion rings. I used to be a cook, and I know exactly what bag these came out of. For the most part, though, the burger is pretty tasty. It's a real mess, though, I'll tell you that. Man. Excuse me. Well, anyway, that was Burgermaster. Not bad. I don't know if I would make it. I don't know if I would go back again. Just for the cost alone. I mean, granted, I did get a double bacon cheeseburger, but you know, it wasn't terrible. I knew the onion rings were bought in, but yeah, what are you gonna do? I think I might try finding a closer place to home for next time. Anyway, I appreciate you watching, and there'll be a playlist for this series in the description. And have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching.